Hi everyone, Esteban here at Flexpipe headquarters. Today, let's have a look at this cool flow rack here that we have, utilizing the new R40RT96FL. That is the roller track with the flange wheels. So instead of having guides added to the roller tracks, we can now use the actual wheel of the roller track with the flange here to be able to keep the bins in place. In this track here, we can see that we have smaller tracks closer together. So it's going to be not smaller tracks, but tracks closer together for these smaller bins that are going to be placed in between here and keeping those in their own lane, if you will. So very nice combination of the flange on the top. On the bottom here, we have a return, nice wide return with 4 of the wider tracks to just make sure things get to the other side nice and smoothly. So this is just a nice combination of the stainless steel pipe along with the roller track flange on the top and the wide track on the bottom. So just a nice combination here to be able to create a nice roller track or flow rack.